Yes, seaweed.
Seaweed.
Looks good. Nice Costa.
Costa, yes. I don't know. It's cute.
I wouldn't, that's the sort of size of dog I could manage. I couldn't manage one.
They don't normally.
Oh, there's another dog. That's so
No.
cute.
Oh yeah.
It's running around. I like him so much. It's a little doggy. It's you.
Blue, come here, boy. Blue.
Oh, it's looking for its nest.
What's this? House?
Yeah. Do you like the seal? I can only go this way. Woo! And then turn the wheel and it clockwise directions. Let's spin the wheel. You can have a seal. Oh! It's here! It's here. Get the penny. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a little seal. This flat, and then touch it, and then let's put 1, 2, 3. Okay, last time. Oh, I have a penny everywhere. Oh no. Wait a minute. Bye bye. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Sachin, let's just throw things and we'll wash hands after, okay? Whee! Wow. Come on. Woo! Wash your hands after. Oh look, there's a crab.
Oh yeah.
There's a crab in the
That's a big
water.
one.
There's a big black crab in the water. See, look, it's walking. But here we caught a crab in our fishing net. Here. Oh, it's so cold. Wow, it's so cold. A seaweed stone. Seaweed.
Yes. Seaweed.
Seaweed. Seaweed. Is it wet? Oh, where are you going? So-chan. Oh. Woo! Walking on the wall. No, no jump, no jump.
No jump.
No jump, just walking. That's cool. One,
Yeah.
two,
1,
three.
2, 3.
What's scampi and chips? It's like a little, fish. Yeah, and chips, yeah? Scampi and chips. Oh, something like that.
Okay.
The most famous, most popular Scottish drink.
It's very orange.
Yeah, it's like... It's just like pure sugar.
It's like a sweetie, eh?
Yeah, it does. It tastes like sweets, those really unnatural sweets. You don't know what's in them. But it's quite like I'm quite thirsty and hungry, so it's really kind of refreshing and yeah, gives you energy.
It's good though.
Yeah. Chan's having a secret smoothie.
So, Chan, slowly, okay?
Slowly, yeah, slowly, yeah? Slowly.
So you see here, there's a vinegar. But then more vinegar?
And you put it on your chips.
Yeah. That's the way to have
Yeah.
fish and chips.
Yeah, chips. Our tartar sauce is here.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, quite often you put tartar sauce on your chips
Alright,
and mayonnaise.
try out.
Oh, sorry, on your fish.
Yeah.
So, scampi and chips. So what Mummy's going to do is quite hot. So what we're going
What's
to do
that?
is as a chip, very thin chip, like a crisp.
Oh.
Haddock.
Don't be...
So I would say in Scotland you get more haddock than cod.
Cod.
Up here is haddock.
But cod, it's cannot get them as much as before.
No,
Something.
but I think it's more available in England.
There's no like
There's
a
no
cod.
there's no cod here. No, so we usually have haddock.
So the way to eat
So-
in Scotland.
Put a little bit of vinegar in our chips just a little bit. Here we go.
Yeah, and there's some
Enjoy.
sauce and
Get
mayonnaise.
tartar sauce. Let's pop it on the side. First. Mmm.
Good.
Chip shop chips are the best chips in the world. Mmm.
So, tartar sauce.
Mmm. I'm gonna try this scampi. Mmm. Chan, maybe no. And try the little bit. Yeah, that's right. Down, up, push. Good girl.
Good.
Yum.
No, yeah, one each.
Yeah. I'll just cut them up in case she wants any more. It's a bit hot. Would you want to try another chip? Here's a chip. Here's a yummy chip. Would you want to use your fork?
No.
No? Okay, well I'll just put, yeah, try it.
Hello.
All right. This is so nice.
Yeah, imagine you live here.
Amazing. Oh, amazing, yeah. And if it's a nice day, you could just run out your house, you know?
Yeah.
Take advantage.
The people they surfing here.
You can do surfing in the mud.
Yeah, yeah, of course. It depends on where you
Yeah.
do.
Here's a surfing school, and you can do beginner surfing with Hello. You're looking for shells? Ba-chan, Daddy, what are you doing? You're touching the water? Oh, careful. Hold Daddy's handy. Ba-chan. Ah! The water's coming. Oh. Careful. Yeah? Let's walk. Oh no. Yeah, we have to walk over here. Oh, my feet. Mommy wore the wrong shoes. Come, Jen Jen, Mommy and Daddy are going this way. Oh, look how fast we are. Oh, we're ready. There's a doggy. He's so fast. Oh, he's the winner. Yay! Woo! He's never seen so many.